Alright, what is up, base crew? We're back with another video. We're going to go and cover 3 big utility projects in today's video. You're going to let me know what base project you want me to cover in the comments section. Before we get into it, subscribe. Let's go. Alright guys, we come to Bitcoin and it looks like bright times are ahead because we could have a bullish breakout target of around 88k. That would be some lovely short-term relief for Bitcoin and for probably our altcoins as well. And there are some altcoins in today's video that are, number 1, launching in a very bullish time. Number 2, coiling up until the end of the month. So again, you've got about 4 weeks to be accumulating these coins. And number 3 are just no-brainers, okay? But Liberation Day, people are going to be going on about tariff this, tariff that. To be honest, I'm ignoring all the short-term news articles, all that sort of stuff. We're going to be focusing on the technicals, guys. And the technicals for Bitcoin say we should be expecting some more bullish price momentum. Now, you're going to see a bit of a mixture of bullish, bearish stuff. Okay, we can cover both sides. And Ethereum OG actually sold all the remaining 2k ETH yesterday or today, depending when you're watching it. And basically locked in a profit of around just shy of 10 million. So not bad, but he's capitulated all of his ETH holdings now at 1800, which is insane to me. He was actually at 23 million at one point, didn't sell then. Okay, so it even goes to show these ETH OGs only 2017, so it's not that long. They also are susceptible to holding on at the tops and then letting go at the lows, guys. Okay, so I wouldn't put too much weight into this. Now, M2 expanding, Bitcoin following. Target is going to be around 120k, as we did say in our last Bitcoin update. Okay, M2 leads. Looks like over the next coming weeks, remember this is the weekly chart, we could be going higher. And we're now at a key level of support where everybody flips into extreme fear. Remember, sentiment extremes at key levels of support. Now, with that being said, I mean, when you look at a chart like Aero, right, the Aero weekly chart does not look good, okay? I think these are the high Kanashi candles, so they're only going to show pretty much like one color, even if it was green, if you're in a bigger downtrend, I believe. So someone can correct me on that if I'm wrong. But we're now at 40 cents. People are having like weekly targets here of 7 cents. I can't really envision us going that low. We will look at our Aero chart at the end of the video. And one reason that I can't envision us going that low, guys, is because a new no fluff format that breaks down one token at a time with clear bull bear analysis. You can see here that Aerodrome is pretty much the #1 DEX, right? It beats everything else. And you can see that because it's dominant against all the competition. The volume has hit, or the volume dominance has hit an all-time high, capturing over 70% of daily volume compared to the competition. And what is everyone doing with their emissions now? Are they selling it or are they locking it straight up? I mean, right now, the lock rates are increasing, right? They're increasing to new highs per epoch. So that means a lot of this Aero that is being given back in incentives and rewards is being removed from circulation, okay? So rather than all the FUD of, Aero's getting diluted that we had when the price was going up, now the price is going down, people are locking it up, right? So it's the reverse. So if anything, this is even like double bullish. But with that being said, it can be as bullish as you like, but when you come and look at the price, it's going to hurt, right? So we've got the wick down at 40 cents. There's actually another wick here just below us at around 30 cents. So again, that would be, the ultimate low that I would be looking at to pick up Aero. And if we did fall through this, then I would be super concerned with the chart. Right now, between 40 and 30 cents, not really too concerned. I just look at it as an opportunity zone, the same way that we had here, here, and here, where we formed this triple bottom, okay? So if price is gonna turn around for our altcoins, we'd like to see price turn around for Aerodrome in between these two ranges. Next is going to be Moonwell, which is helping bridge a lot of you guys from on-chain, off-chain, etc. and receive ACH/wire payments from US individuals and companies directly into your wallet. You can then deposit that on Moonwell Vault and then grow your savings, okay? So again, is the future of getting paid global and on-chain. This is the way that we'd like to be seeing crypto going. This is why we invest into these utility projects. Getting paid shouldn't be limited by borders, okay? How many of you guys understand that your bank is pretty much in control of all of your money. They can decline transactions, they can limit you from spending, they can just say to you, you know what, you can't use your account today, right? This is why we need on-chain finance. Now, probably the market is going to be a lot less than what we did have at the peak of the bull run. We actually are now 50% off from, well, the peak of where we were about a few months ago. This was nearly a $1 billion market size. Why has it decreased so much, guys? It's decreased so much because the price, unfortunately, has decreased. So the total supplied value is 300 million. Total borrowed value is 146 million. So still quite a lot of volume there, guys. But obviously, when the price of Moonwell is suffering, then you're going to see the total market size represented in that. But when you do go to the chart, then as I said before in a previous video, we could just be coiling up until end of April, right? So is this where a lot of our altcoins are going to start to see significant rallies? Remember, there was a well coin before it was bridged over to base. So again, we have got room to go a little bit lower. But I do think most likely outcome is that we just coil up until the end of April before we do get the expansion, which could be around like 13 to 15 cents at the absolute blow off top. But then we still have a lot of key levels to be breaking, guys. So like 3.5 cents at the 100 MA, you got 4 cents, you got 5 cents, 6 cents here as well, like a lot of stack resistance. So Moonwell got a lot of work to do, and it's going to be harder than what I see it's going to be for Aero, right? But doesn't mean it can't happen, guys. So we've got about a month to find out what is going to be going on for Moonwell. And then lastly, Ample. Okay, we spoke about Ample, intellectual property. They're trying to capture that $61 trillion RWA opportunity. And the TGE is actually next week. So we need to be making sure that we get our hands on as much Ample tokens as possible. 6 days, they're going to have a surprise, right? So you guys can go and view all of this information directly on their website or on their link tree. But they're revolutionizing the $61 trillion global IP market with tokenized IP as real world assets. What they're trying to do is build a revolutionary cross-chain protocol ecosystem to distribute, track, and monetize IP assets across global markets. So tokenize and launch, you can distribute and manage the tokenized IP, and then you earn and engage. So engage fans, collectors, backers by offering IP directly through custom showcase pages, etc. And not only that, guys, already 35 trusted partners and more joining them every week. So total partners, I mean, you're looking at 3 million plus followers, 400 million streams, 50 different countries. Not only that, team super docs, you can go and pretty much do all your deep dives on the team. Spoke with Kenny, great guy, great founder, putting in the time and the effort, guys. That's another reason why I do think this project's going to do very well, because the team are actually doxing themselves and have a proven track record. And then we've also got all of this fun stuff to come up as well in the roadmap. So they're going to have like continuous growth over the next 3 quarters of this year, launching into what I believe could be the end of the most bearish time. So launching at a pretty good time, guys. I would recommend all of you guys go and check out Ample. But that's it, bow. It's a quick base update for all of you guys. Let me know what base coins you want me to cover in the next video. Go ahead and enjoy the sun. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace.